What are the challenges of artificial groundwater recharge permitting? Imagine trying to add water to an underground reservoir without causing any issues. That's what artificial groundwater recharge projects aim to do. But getting the green light for these projects involves many hurdles. First, the site's geological makeup must be thoroughly checked. You need to understand the soil and rock layers, how water flows underground, and whether the soil can filter the water properly. If not, the recharge could harm the aquifer or cause contamination. Next, water quality is a big concern. The water used for recharge must meet strict standards to avoid introducing pollutants like heavy metals or bacteria. Sometimes, the water needs treatment before it's added underground, especially if it comes from sources like wastewater or stormwater. The chemistry of the recharge water must also match the native groundwater to prevent clogging or chemical reactions that could degrade the aquifer. Then, there are legal and regulatory rules to consider. These rules can be complicated and differ from place to place. Projects must respect water rights, making sure they don't take water away from existing users or violate laws about pollution and land use. Sometimes, the rules are not clear or don't specifically cover artificial recharge, which makes getting permits more difficult. Monitoring is another key part of the process. Projects usually need ongoing checks of water quality and quantity, along with plans for maintenance and handling unexpected problems. This adds extra cost and effort. Environmental risks also need to be evaluated. For example, recharge should not cause water levels to rise too much and flood the area or mobilize pollutants already underground. Deep well injection of recharge water is often restricted because of the risk of contaminating the aquifer. Lastly, there are institutional and funding challenges. Authorities must have enough resources and expertise to oversee the project and enforce permit conditions. Limited budgets or lack of technical staff can slow down or prevent approval. In summary, the main challenges include understanding the site conditions, ensuring water quality, navigating complex legal rules, setting up proper monitoring, managing environmental risks, and overcoming resource limitations. Overcoming these hurdles requires careful planning, detailed site studies, and close cooperation with regulatory agencies. This process helps protect groundwater resources while allowing sustainable recharge projects to move forward.